Forward motion, so sit back, relax, and we're all aboard.
What is that over there, I wonder? Look at that bamboo. It's huge, isn't it? Oh, this big bamboo here, look how big it is. Look at that little bamboo behind my house. Ain't nothing compared to this thing. Wow, some of those trees are awesome. Wow, look at that. It's kind of, that's what you cane somebody with, right? Ding, 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 ding.
We've reached the wild western Magic Kingdom, Frontierland. South Park is home to covered wagons, cowpokes, and country bears. And we've got our own mountain range of exciting adventures. You might catch a runaway mine train at Big Thunder Mountain, or hop on over to Splash Mountain and join Brer Rabbit for a 50-foot drop straight down into the Briar Patch. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight until we come to a complete stop. If you're carry strollers all the way off the platform before you unfold them, that'll help make room for the new passengers joining us. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.